What's up, y'all? Happy Saturday. We are out and about early today. Got a lot of activities and also some errands and stuff to run, so I'm gonna take y'all along. First stop is for the two Jeremys to get their haircut. Look at them handsome men. Look at them handsome men. Oh, really still, kiddo, okay? Of course, they stick us in the room next to a kid that's screaming they head off. So now she's like, I'm ready to go. Yes, now. Okay, get down. Y'all excuse her head. She gonna get it combed when we get home. Janelle, you done already weighed yourself, girl. Yes. Yeah, get down. Get down. Okay, all done. When your hospital is a trauma center, of course, they got the police blocking it off because it's some type of shooting. Because there goes the Chicago police. They got the hospital police. Always a fun time.
Looking around here, you think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's it's and what's it's galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20.
Oh, the Queen wanted the two.
We out here with a barbecue with my brother. Look at the two Jeremys throwing a football. He getting ready. He gonna be playing football this year, y'all. He getting ready. Two brothers on the grill. We out here.
Dude, throw me the ball. Let me see. Throw it.
Now, it good? Yeah. It good? Booger, it good?
Yeah, mama just